The Xiaomi Mi 9 is officially launched in Malaysia, and today I have this little fella with me. So let's unbox it. So let's open this box. Okay, so this box has this shiny, shimmery finish, and the box is silver color. It has this really nice rainbow effect. And some of the highlights are mentioned at the back of the box as usual. So let's open this up. Okay. And inside, you have this standard box. And when you open it, ooh, you have your SIM ejector tool, your dongle. That means this phone don't have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay. Okay, and some paperwork, and you have this silicone case. The Mi 9. Okay, I'll talk about this later, so I put aside first. And you have this USB port and okay, and a 27-watt fast charger. So let's take this out. The back. Okay, so in Malaysia we only have two color variants. So the one I have is the piano black, and there's another one called ocean blue, and the ocean blue has this very nice gradient effect, but for the black you only get the standard plain black. As you can see, this phone has a triple camera setup, and it has a rainbow colored holographic effect on the main camera here, which looks really good. And also it has a glossy back, so the entire back is curved. And the best part is, it doesn't wobble on the table. Oh my god. It also feels very thin and light. But unfortunately, since this is a glossy back, right, it's very prone to fingerprint smudges. So actually this is not a very big deal. You can just slap a case on the back. So let's start this phone. Any moment now. Choose your region. Oh, Malaysia. Okay. This is taking forever. Ah! It's finally here. So this device has a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus display, and it has a tiny notch that houses the selfie camera. It is also an AMOLED panel, which looks really good. It has some clear output, while the colors emitted are really sharp and vibrant. So let's take a tour around this phone. Okay, so at the right side you have your power button and rocker button, and at the bottom you have your speaker grills and USB port, and at the left side you have a dedicated Google Assistant button and also a SIM slot. So let's check out what we have in here. Let's see. Oh, okay, so this is a dual nano card slot, which means that you cannot expand your storage further, because you only can put 2 SIM cards and not an SD card. So if you want to expand your storage, too bad. But it also has 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, which is fairly enough for everyday usage. So this device runs on MIUI based on Android 9 Pie, and the interface is fairly simple, and the icons are really modern looking. The volume button, the icons here are so cool. Look at this. It is so simple and easy to use. But the one problem I have with this UI is that it doesn't come with an app drawer. That means you need to put everything on your home screen, which is a bit messy. This is not a big deal anyway, because you can always download Nova Launcher. So let's get into the camera. So this device has a 40 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel telephoto shooter with 2x optical zoom, and also a 60 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. For selfies, it also has a 20 megapixel camera. So interestingly, according to DxOMark, this device actually scored 112 points, which is higher than the iPhone XS Max, but 2 points lower than the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So let's test out this camera. So I'll take this thing. Okay, so I've taken a picture of this Captain America. Oh, the pictures turns out really good. It captures a lot of detail. Oh my god, I can even see the dust particles. The back camera seems nice. Let's try the front camera. Oh, the pictures turned out to be very nice. I look really natural and it doesn't really beautify my face, which I don't need anyway. So this selfie camera is actually pretty good. I like. So let me summarize the whole spec of the Xiaomi Mi 9 for you. So this Xiaomi Mi 9 comes with a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus display. It also runs on the top of the line Snapdragon 855 processor. It also has 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. It also has 3700 mAh battery, and it also supports 20-watt fast charging via USB-C. You might be wondering, what is the price of this device? So this device is priced at 1,999 ringgit. So if you want one, you better get it from Xiaomi authorized retailers. That's all from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed whenever we post a new video. So do check out our latest video here, and also another video here. Okay, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!